Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So in the last video we have seen how to access a database in Python, and in this video we will see how to read and write the files in Python. Yes, so I'm talking about a simple file where we can read or write the data, because sometimes we need to get the inputs from the file or we need to print our output on the file. So we'll see how to do that. So for that I will create a variable called file, and now I will call the function which is open, and here I need to give a file path and the file name. So what I will do, I have a file here which is my data. If you see that in this there's two lines which are there already, so I will just close this out and I will do a right click on that. I will say copy path, and right now I want to just copy path as an absolute path, so I will do Control V. So later on we will see that how we can change it to relative path, but in this video we are just seeing the absolute path. So this is the path of my file, and what you can do, you can just instead of a single slash you should give a double slash so that it can recognize your path properly. So I am doing that. Okay, and after that you need to tell to Python program that you need to open this file into the read mode. Yes, this is necessary in Python, that you want to open the file into the read mode or into the write mode if you want to write something. So now the file has been opened and I want to print whatever there is in the file onto my console. So what I will do, I will just give the print command, and here I will just write file dot read. Okay, so what it will do, it will read the file and it will print that out. So let's try to run this. Okay, so you will see that now the file has been printed. My name is Naresh and my city is Gandhinagar. So currently it is reading a file and printing it. There are many more methods with the file variable which we have created. So if you want to see that, let's say instead of read I will say read line. Okay, and here I can give number 2 here, and let's see what does it do. Okay, so I think I'm missing one parenthesis, so let me do it again. So you will see that it has only printed 2 characters from the file. So this is way how you can go ahead and you can read some particular data which you want. So let's open this. So right now it has printed my. Now let me go ahead and write 4 here. Let's see what does it give. Okay, now it has written my n. So you will see that it has written my n. So this is the way it can go ahead and print particular character from a file. Okay, now if I give here print file dot read, okay, file dot read line. Okay, so instead of read I am giving read line here, and if I hit on enter you will see that what it has done, whenever I say file.readLine, it will read my second line from here. So now you can see that it has read the second line. Let me just remove it out. Okay, and now run it again. It say my name is Naresh, and if I do it again like that, file.readLine, it can print the second line also. My city is Gandhinagar. So whenever you give a read line, it will go to the next line and it will read it and it will print it for you. Okay, so this is the way we can write the file. There is another way also we can print the data of a file. For that I can use a for loop. So I will say for I in file. Okay, and here I will say print I. Okay, so I am trying to read the file through the for loop, and let's see, it again give me the entire file. So every time, whenever I say print I, it will print one row from the file for me. Okay, and if you want to see the type of it, so you can say type of I like that, and if you hit on enter it will give you, it is giving you a string. Okay, so first time also it gives you a string, second time also it gives you a string. So you can go ahead and store that string anywhere and you can do multiple operations from there. Okay, so this is the way we go ahead and read the file. But now how to write a file? Let's say I want to write something onto the file. So what I can do, I will give the same command, which is file, and after that it's open, and here I can give a new file name. So I will give my data new f. Okay, my data new f. As soon as give that, I also need to mention the mode of that. So right now I want to write it into the write mode, so I will say W. So my file has been written into the write mode, and what I can do, I can just simply give file dot write. Okay, and now I can type anything. Let's say I want to type hello, hi, and then I want to move to the next line, /n, and then again I can say something like file dot write, and here I will say hello world. Okay, so this is how I am writing it. So it will go ahead and it will into this folder. I am expecting this new file to be come up. So let's do a right click on run. Program is finished. Now see, under file handling we have my data wf, the new file. It says hi and hello world. So this is the way we can write the file. Now let's say next time I want to append in the same file. So what I can do, I can go to the same program, and after this, let me just remove this. Okay, I will go ahead and here I can say, instead of W, I will say A. I want to append. Next time I want to append. I don't want to create a new file. I don't want to overwrite the data. So I will say just append the file. So after that I will just say file dot write. So I am writing it, but this time I am appending it. Okay, so I will say computer, a simple text. Okay, and I will run it. So even though it has opened the file in a I can open the file to write it, but if you see this my data wf, so it has appended this text computer, and if I want it onto the next line, I can just say \n. Okay, and then computer, and then I will run it. So this time you will see it has appended onto the next line. Okay, so this is the way you can read the file, you can write the file, and you can append the file. So I think this is very easy for you, but this comes on many of the programs. You need to use it because you have to write and read the data into the file, because sometimes the database are on different servers, or sometimes we don't have a database in that particular program. So it's always better to use file in those kinds of scenarios. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.